got me. You got my favorite person right here.
My love.
Say hi to the people.
What's good, people? How y'all feeling today?
How you feeling about this hike so far?
Oh, I'm ready for it. I'm
ready?
excited as hell. Going up to see the entire ocean. I mean, obviously not the entire bit, but you feel me? It's gonna be 4.7 miles. It's to Mollusk Bay Point.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
Hey, what's up? I didn't see you. Come with me. Let's go. So this hike, you get me. Check out the fit. It's pretty cold out here. So I got like 4 layers of clothes, you know? When you're from Africa, the weather here is different. You got me. So I got one big jacket, got another one, another one.
Another one.
Another one. Shit. I ain't got my mask. I forgot it. I'm about to edit that part out. FBI is looking.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Guys, look at this. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Oh my God.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
This is beautiful, guys. Like, yeah, kind of like Pacifica in San Francisco. This is Pacifica. Which one?
Oh. I mean, we just got here. Pacifica, for now, holds the title.
Okay, Pacifica for now holds the title.
Yeah,
All right.
but that could change.
That could change. I feel like when we get right up there,
Facts.
I feel like she gonna change that.
You might be right about that one. But
Yeah.
you might be right about that one.
We'll see. Let's get it.
Keep you posted.
Yup, let's get it. We've done like a mile and a half. Gotta keep going. I think it's about 4 miles.
4.7.
4.7. So let's say 5. Yeah.
But check out this view.
Yeah, but the view is crazy.
Facts. On this countryside, I don't know if you all can see it, but right there's another little small lake. It's beautiful, beautiful. And we're going up this mountain until we can't no more, so stay tuned.
God damn. I think I need to do more cardio. I did leg day a couple of days ago, and I can feel my calves, my hamstring, everything kind of like, yo, what are you doing, man? You should be resting less. We are sore as that word.
But he's still out here doing it. Thank you, baby, for coming out here.
Yeah, no. I had to. With this view, priceless view like this, make it worth it.
Facts.
You got me.
That's the truth.
Yeah.
That is the truth.
Told us to come look at some owls and shit. Elks. Shit, my bad. We just saw some animals. They're called elks. For those who don't know, elks. Look at we gotta know shit. Alright, look at them. Oh, big boys. They're called elks. Look at them, they're eating.
That's all they do.
They eat.
They eat and they migrate and they poop.
And they poop.
And then they have to.
And then they have, they make kids. And there was a lot of like there's a load of trees on this place.
That's true, they're really cool.
They're really cute. Like look at this one.
Get underneath them.
Let me get underneath them. Look at how cute that is.
That's a bonsai.
That's a bonsai tree.
At least it looked like it.
At least it looked like it. Repeating everything what you say. Yeah. I think we're almost at the end. End probably is like right there. Right there. My finger look like that. Look. Right there, right there.
You got the joint?
I don't know what that means.
It's talent.
My finger talented.
Yes, true.
Hey guys, look at those chickens.
Look at all those chickens.
I'm just kidding, there's more elks. Look at y'all those chickens.
Look at them. Their feathers.
You gotta look at the
The
cutest, the bonsai tree.
That's the bonsai tree.
Look at that, it's so cute.
It
Look at
looks
that.
like a bonsai tree.
Look at this view, guys.
Look at this.
Me over there with some elks too. Look at this majestic animal, guys. Wow, so beautiful. Isn't nature so beautiful, babe?
Nature is incredible.
It's really beautiful. Look at that. We're out here. The buddies are back there.
What?
We're friends.
Our friends, yeah. Our friends.
I can get to those elks without them freaking out. Damn, that man tall. Look at that. He got like a tree branch in his head.
Baby, he will charge your ass.
I used to have a lion back home.
What?
My lion. I'll call my lion. Chupacabra to come. Damn, it's a lot of folks. I'm out to cover my nose with this one. I feel like COVID exists among one of these.
They're prancing. Look at them prance. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Hey guys, so I'm coming towards us right now, the elks.
We literally.
Where the hell are they going? Right here. Right here, my kids. Kuvuki. That's Kuvuki and Belunga.
They're looking at us like y'all dumb. You trying to be their natural predator? They will rear end.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, this one jogging.
Kuvuki and Belunga, they're running.
Look at how beautiful. Look at Belinga. Oh, and Kavuki. Stylish. Look at how regal. Oh, they're so beautiful. He's looking.
I'm suburban.
Oh, he's leaving us.
Let me take a picture of you. I'll probably get some fruits. Or we'll look at some elks. Hello, buddy. Came to chill. It's like I saw that you guys got some fruits. I need some of that.
Wait, am I sitting on one or am I my ass cheeks on one? Am I on his family?
Let's see. That's good.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. So this is the end of the vlog. We're just gonna chill here and watch this view. Please don't forget to subscribe or like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.